Hello students, how are you all? Fine. Okay. Yesterday we were studying about assertive sentences and exclamatory sentences, correct? What we did? We changed assertive sentences to exclamatory sentences by using 3 words, correct? Those 3 words are which words? Those 3 words are interjection words. What, how and alas. We use these 3 words for what? To change assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Today, now we have completed 2 types of sentences. Which were those? Assertive and exclamatory. Okay, and now we are going to study is interrogative sentence. Which sentence? Interrogative sentences. Now what are these interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are those sentences which have questions. What do they have? They have questions. Now here I will show you. Here it is told that, look here in the book. Is it visible? See here. Interrogative sentence. What it is? Interrogative sentence. Read the following. Where did you go? Question mark. How many days are there in a week? Question is asked. What is there? How many days are there in a week? Third question which is asked over here is, are the ducks, what it is? Are the ducks, can you see? 1 minute. No, let it. Okay, are the ducks not in a pond? The sentences above are asking questions. What they are doing? They are asking questions. Sentences are asking you question. First sentence is, where did you go? तू कुठे गेला? प्रश्न चिन्ह. Correct or not? What is used? Question mark is used. Second sentence is, how many days are there in a week? When this question is asked, how many days are there in a week? What it is? At last question mark is there. Third question is, are the ducks not in the pond? Are the ducks not in the pond? Means what? Ducks are not there. What in the pond? Question mark. These all sentences are what? These all sentences are asking question. प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे कुणाला तरी. Correct? It can be asked to anyone. Right? Now here it is told that sentences which ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Sentences which ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Are called which sentences? They are called interrogative sentences. Once again I am repeating, sentences which ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Now which are those words? Which are those words? Questions. Which questions are asked? Which words are used in interrogative sentences? What is used? How is used? Why? When? Where? Then when? Then which are more? What? How? Why? Where? When? Who? These are all sentences which are used in which these are all words which are used in which sentences? These are all words which are used in interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences end with question mark. They end with what? They end with question mark. Are you understanding? Assertive sentences end with full stop. Correct? Exclamatory sentences end with exclamation mark. And interrogative sentences end with question mark. They end with what? They end with question mark. Now here it is told that an interrogative sentence can be either affirmative or negative. तो कोणता पण असू शकतो. तो affirmative sentence पण असू शकतो किंवा negative sentence पण असू शकतो. Next sentence is, and interrogative sentences end with what? They end with question mark. Interrogative sentences end with what? Interrogative sentences end with question mark. Now here it is told that observe carefully. I have a pen. Okay. Now this is a sentence. I have a pen. आणि हा सेंटेन्स कोणता आहे? ॲफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स आहे. तो ॲफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स मला इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्समध्ये चेंज करायचा आहे. तर मग मी कसं चेंज करणार तो? आय हॅव अ पेन. नाव आय वॉन्ट टू चेंज द सेंटेन्स. देन व्हॉट सेंटेन्स आय विल प्रिपेअर? हॅव आय गॉट अ पेन? क्वेश्चन मार्क. व्हॉट इट इज? हॅव आय गॉट अ पेन? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Second sentence is, they were waiting for me. They were waiting for me. आता हा sentence कोणता आहे? This sentence is affirmative sentence. This affirmative sentence we have to change to interrogative sentence. Then what sentence we can make? Were they waiting for me? Correct. They were waiting. ते माझ्यासाठी थांबले होते. तो sentence तुम्हाला interrogative मध्ये चेंज करायचा आहे. ते माझ्यासाठी थांबले होते का? का. When we say का, थांबले होते का, then question mark will come in the ending of that sentence. Have you understood? Have you understood? Interrogative sentences have question mark. Interrogative sentence can be affirmative or it can also be negative. Now here it is told that while changing sentences into an interrogative sentence, the subject usually follows the verb. Okay. First one is what? They were waiting for me. Okay. Subject. It is told that in interrogative sentences, subject usually follows verb. Subject means what? Subject means a doer of action. A person or thing who does action, that is what? That is subject. And verb is what? Verb is action word. Okay. Then action words. Action. It is told that subject is coming behind verb. ॲक्शन वर्ड अगोदर येतो आणि सब्जेक्ट त्याच्या मागे जातो. मीन्स इट इज पॅसिव्ह. लिटल बिट इट इज लाईक पॅसिव्ह सेंटेन्सेस. ॲक्टिव्ह सेंटेन्सेस अँड पॅसिव्ह सेंटेन्सेस. ओके. नाव अगेन आय एम रिपीटिंग. assertive sentences are affirmative or negative. Correct. And assertive sentences have statements. Assertive sentences have what? Statement. It states something. It states something about some person or about some place or about some animal or about some bird. And assertive sentences always end with full stop. The second type is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which we express suddenly. The sudden feelings which we express, those sentences are called exclamatory sentences, and exclamatory sentences always end with exclamation mark. Today we studied about interrogative sentences. Sentences which ask questions are called interrogative sentences. ज्यावेळेस आपण प्रश्न कुणालाही प्रश्न विचारतो, when we ask question to anyone, it can be boy, it can be girl, it can be man, it can be woman. ज्यावेळेस आपण कुणाला प्रश्न विचारतो ते वाक्य काय असतं? ते वाक्य इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स असतं. ओके. अँड देन इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्सेस आर आस्क्ड बाय विच वर्ड्स? व्हॉट, हाऊ, वाय, वेअर, वेन, हू. 6 honest serving men, do you remember? They are like 6 honest serving men only or not? Yes or no? What, how, why, where, when, who. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same. They are 6 honest serving men which help us. And interrogative sentences have these words in starting. Interrogative sentence ह्या शब्दांनीच चालू होतात. Okay, many times. Many times interrogative sentence starts with which words? They start with what, how, why, where, when, how, who, whom. With these words, interrogative sentences are many times starting, or it begins with these words. And then what we are going to study next is some sentences are given anyhow, they are jumbled words are there, and those sentences we are going to write correctly. That we will study in next week's period on Thursday. We are going to study when? We are going to study on Thursday. I think you have understood what is interrogative sentence. इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स समजला आहे का तुम्हाला? आणि एकच राहिलेला आहे आता, तो आहे imperative sentence. Yesterday also I have told you, today also I will tell you, imperative sentences are those sentences which gives command or which are request. When we ask request to someone, that is also imperative sentence. Okay, that imperative sentence we will study on Thursday. Okay, bye.